All right, this video is just about 1-4-5s, and I'll explain all of that, what that means. Just power chords, basically. So you're playing power chord on the 5th fret. That's where A, I always start there because that's where the alphabet starts. A, D, and E. These 3 chords, they're all power chords. First finger on the 6th string, your ring finger, 3rd finger on the 5th string. This is on the 5th fret, this is on the 7th fret. Any power chord looks exactly like this. And you just play, that's what a power chord looks like. And then you move it down, and you can, there's the only 2 places to play power chords. It's just these 2 strings and these 2 strings. These, is what I mean, is these ones and these ones. So this is called a 1-4-5. If you go 1, because that's where you're starting, 1, this is the 4, and this is the 5. And the reason why it's called the 1-4-5 is because of a scale. So you don't have to memorize this or anything. And this is for all different levels of people. So some people will know this and some people won't. So it's like, here's a major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a major scale. And if I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then to the end is 8. So if I went 1, here's the 1, 2, 3, here's the 4, and here's the 5. So this note is the 5, this note is the 4, this note is the 1. And that's why where I'm basing my index finger is the 1, this is the 4 chord, and this is the 5 chord in the key of A. But all you have to do really know is this shape that you're doing is a 1-4-5 in the key of A. If I went over here, it's a 1-4-5 in the key of G. Went over here, it's a 1-4-5 in the key of F. If I went here, it'd be 1-4-5 in the key of F sharp, and on. Anywhere you want to do that, that's what it would be. Then to take it a step further, if you did full bar chords, it would look like this. Is the 1, the 4 is this. Some people know bar chords, some people don't, but just so you can see what it is, that's the 4, this is the 5, back to 4. If you learn this concept, number 1, this is blues based. This is what blues is based off of these 3 chords, and then tons and tons of rock and roll is based off of 1-4-5. If you understand that, you'll be able to figure out literally thousands of songs by just knowing these shapes, because there's so many songs that are just based off of those 3 chords, and sometimes they throw in an extra chord, and that's pretty much the whole song. And so many famous songs like that. So anyway, here's a bar chord, A, here's a D, and here's an E. So this is the 1, that's the 4, and this is the 5. And then if you did 7th chords, it's the same chord without your pinky. It's an A7. And then if you do this one, like it looks like this, that's a D7, and this is an E7. They're still 1-4-5. It's just you're playing 7th chords instead.